this is HARPREET and welcome to my latest listing in Brampton. It's 88 Oblate Cres, brings you almost 3,000 square feet of space with a double car garage, tons of upgrades and a finished basement as well. More features of the house, so you've got a park right in front and a living lot with a huge backyard. Let's check this house for you from inside. Let's go. You can feel the coziness of the house as soon as you step in this warm foyer area of the house. This house has got a huge dining area to welcome your guests and a separate living area and a family room as well. Look at this beautiful kitchen with brand new stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and ample breakfast area. For watching this tour, and if you have any questions, you can anytime call me at 647-919-8011, and this is again HARPREET, your family realtor.